Hello, myself is Dr. Praveen Bhandari. I welcome you for my new video about how to insert mathematical equation or terms in a Google form. Dear friends, in this online era, many a times we conduct exams or quizzes or various online activities. So we use Google form many times. Now, if there is a text-like questions, then it becomes simple. But if there are mathematical equations, chemical reactions, then how to insert in a Google form may be a questions to majority of the users. So today I am going to demonstrate how to insert mathematical equation or terms in a Google form using one add-on tool known as Hypatia. So let us try to understand how it can be done. So in that case, we'll direct you have to have a Gmail account. Now in a Gmail account, uh, if you are new user, then first thing to be done is to install the Hypatia tool. Now, so you can click on the Google app and click on more from Google Workspace Marketplace. So in that, type Hypatia create. So this Hypatia create, this is a smart math editor as the name is displayed over there. So you have to install it so that it will be available as an add-on tool in your Google form. But since I already installed it, you can have a look that it says that it is already installed. So let us try to understand its demonstration, how this Hypatia tool can be used for addition of the mathematical terms, mathematical equations, or chemical reactions in a Google form. So I'll go to the Google form. We'll create new Google form and we'll try to see how this tool can be used. So click on this blank form. I will rename it as demonstration of Hypatia tool. Now, so once we install the Hypatia, then you can see this icon appears in your Google form. So it says add-on. So this will always be available. Now, depending upon your requirement, you can have add-on. Now, if you have already installed add-on, then just by clicking, it will display what is added, and that can be incorporated into a Google form. So now I'm going to click on this add-on tool. Now, after clicking, it has shown that Hypatia Create is an add-on tool I have installed. So I'll click on it. Now, once I click on this Hypatia Create, then it gives me two options: insert or edit math or mini editor, and others are just the supporting things. Now, mini editors can be used side by side, whereas when you click on insert or edit math, it pops up a full window which cover most of the part of your screen or Google form. So we'll try to understand both the tools, how they can be used. So I'll click on insert or edit math. So once I click on insert or edit math, then a new window will pop up and it will cover my Google form, Hypatia create. Now let us try to understand the different functions which are available. So this x square is commonly used math function and symbol. So if I click on this, then you will understand that d by dx or some I mean some power terms like say square root of 2 or square root of 3, this type of the things are there. Then subscript, superscript, the terms in a bracket, definite integral, summation, limit, log, ln, exponential, these terms can be added using this x square icon. Or if you click on this x square icon, so depending upon your requirement, you can use any of these tools. Then if you click on sign, now this sign doesn't mean only sign, but it just represent the collection of the symbols, trigonometry, calculus, and algebra. So as per your requirement, you can use it. Then plus minus sign consists of the symbols for inequalities, binary relation, binary operators, negated binary relations, set relation, and logic. Now this pi means these are the Greek symbols like alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, etc., etc. So that can be installed or that can be added into a Google form by clicking on this pi icon. Then as the symbol indicates, the arrows or symbols like infinity, then angle, etc., or even ascents can be added. And this bar, small and short bars, consists is an icon for the units, length, volume, time, area, parts, mass units, which are to be used in a Google form. Then this is for the bracket or matrix. So various forms of brackets can be used. If you have to insert some matrix or matrices there or similar terms, then you can click on this particular 3 by 3 dot icon, then text. So some text effects can be added. Now if you click on this T, so you can just switch between text and math modes. So for example, suppose if I click, then I can write how to use Hypatia. Now suppose if I click on this, now it will turn to a math mode. So I can insert some symbols as per my requirements. Now we will try to see the demonstration how it can be used for addition of the equations. So I'll close this. Now, as a first question, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the chemical reaction. So again, I'll demonstrate. If you use mini editor, then you need not to again add on that Hypatia create. You can it always remains in a minimized form. You can use it as and when required. But anyway, let us add it at once. So first of all, I will demonstrate both the things, use of insert, edit, math, or mini editor. Okay. Now I'm going to type the reaction between sulfuric acid and sodium hydroxide, and then I'll insert it. So sulfuric acid means H. Now I have to use subscript. So I have an option. So I can directly use this, and I can insert the subscript, or there is another tool. This is search tool. So if you know this, then you can search. If you know the name of that particular term, you can search. So I'll use it, H2SO. Now this time I will use this 4 plus NaOH. Now I have to insert arrow. Now just it is not required since it is demo, but I'll try to balance this equation. So click on this arrow. Then what I will get is Na again to SO to plus twice H okay. Now this equation is typed and now I have to insert it. So create link, trace on this create link. Now the link is created. If I open the window, then I have only one option that I have to close this. That's it. But if I use mini editor, then I can minimize it. So I'll click on this where the question is to be added. Then click on this icon, image icon. So now we have created a link. So we'll be adding it as a URL. So let us add URL. And now it will be inserted as an image. So insert image. So in this way, it is possible to insert the chemical reaction. But many times what we do is, if we are not aware of this type of the tools, we simply type this chemical reaction as a text without considering subscript, superscript, etc., etc. Now let us see the another demonstration where I'll be adding one mathematical expression. Now in this case, I'll be using mini editor. First of all, I'll create mini editor and you will realize what is the advantage of mini editor. So this mini editor can be aligned with the question. So I've clicked on mini editors. Now this mini editor is now open. I am going to type one mathematical expression used in a chemical reaction engineering. So let us see. The equation is just typed for the sake of demonstration. So minus. Now I'm going to insert the definite integral. So from 0 to xa. Now in that case, x a, then b x a by bt is equal to k, again definite integral 0 to t dt. Now this equation is created. Again press create link. The link is successfully created. Now the basic difference you will realize whenever I will use mini editor, I can minimize it or I can use it in a side by side manner. So here I'll be inserting that equation. So in this way, it is possible to express the mathematical equation. Now you have an option that you can use the previous work also. You can see now this current work also, current equation and previous equation is also applicable. So if you wish to use the same expression in a future, you can just suppose click on this and you can edit that equation without retyping it. So this is an advantage. But now I'll be using new function. So I will use new map. I will click on new map. Now one question is to be added, so I'll just minimize it, add the question. Now what I'm going to do is, now I am going to insert the matrix. So you can see now I don't have to click on add-on tool. I can just use it because I have minimized it. And now I'm going to create the matrix. Now I have an option, matrix. You can see matrix. Once you type matrix in a search, it will create it will show some matrix icon. Now B matrix means matrix with brackets, and simple matrix means matrix without brackets. So we'll use B matrix function. Now once we uses B matrix function, it displays the number of rows and number of columns in a matrix. So say I have to use 3 by 3. So insert. Now just click on it. Now as per our will and wish, we can add the term in a matrix. Okay, now the matrix is typed. So once again, press the click create link. So link is successfully copied. So now the matrices or matrix 3 by 3 matrix is inserted. So in this way, these Hypatia create add-on tools can be used for addition of the mathematical equations, chemical reactions, and even some numbers, etc. Say for example, suppose if we are interested in inserting some symbols like infinity, so you can see now this infinity symbol is visible. You just click and it can be, again the link can be created, and the same symbol can be inserted in a Google form. So in this way, the more you practice, the more you will understand the advantages of this Hypatia. So I'm very sure that you must have understood the use of Hypatia as a tool for addition of mathematical expression, mathematical symbols into a Google form. So if you have found this video useful, do like, subscribe, and share amongst your network. Once again, thank you very much for patiently watching the video and appreciating my earlier work. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Praveen Bhandari Nandurbi. Share among your network. If there is any specific request for creating the video on some special topics, you can send your request on my email ID mentioned. So thank you once again for your patient hearing and observing the demonstration of Hypatia tool for inserting the mathematical equations and terms in a Google form. Thank you very much.